guys, really quickly, so EcchiArt, the digital magazine, is now out with edition 7. You don't want to miss out. Amazing photos will be in there, as well as exclusive manga. Everything will be down below. But the first thing I'm going to do is be taking a white eyeshadow, and I'm going to heavily I knew I was going to butcher that word. I'm going to heavily place that into the inner corner of the eye and right underneath the eyebrow. I tried making my eyebrows pink, but my eyebrows are dark and they didn't look that pink. Then I'm taking this shade called Evening Gray and placing that right in the inner corner again. Now this is just going to enhance the white as well as just make it more sparkly. Now I'm going to be taking this Dido Cosmetics palette and use this red shade right here to place in the outer corner. And I wanted to use red because it matches her bodysuit, but you can, I wanted to use more of a pink based red, if you know what I mean. So if you ever look at her eyes, she does have red in her eyes, not like this, but I wanted to change it up. There are a few tutorials on YouTube on 02's makeup, so I wanted to make sure that it was something different and unique. So I'm going to run that shadow on my lower lash line right now, and that is what she has in the show. If you look, she has that right there. So then I am going to take a black liner. I always do winged eyeliner for anime or cosplay looks. I think it just makes the eyes stand out and look better. I was kind of just winging this. I had no reference photo. I just kind of winged this. I really had to just get creative here. Then I am going to draw little eyelashes on with the pen. This is just a stamp winged eyeliner pen, and then also add the white eyeliner as well. Then for lashes, I'm going to use these right here. I think they're just from like a lenses company website, and they're just like dolly lashes, and I think I use these all the time for cosplaying anime characters. I will use these for some Disney characters, but these work more when you're doing anime. I don't know why, they just do. Now that I'm done with the eyes, I'm going to move on to the face. I just take a bright pink blush. I do this for all my anime looks. I put a lot of blush on, and I don't neglect the nose either. I just think it makes you look more cute. And yeah, I didn't do foundation because I do my foundation a ton of times. It does not change on my channel. You can just go back to my old makeup tutorials and see me do that. Now for the lips, I am taking this color called Royalty by Live Glam. I really wanted to do a nude lip. I've seen girls use like kind of like a muted red. I wanted to do that too, but I felt like the nude lip paired extremely well with the reddish pink eyeshadow. Then also this lip color by Live Glam. I'm trying to focus on the name here. I can't really see that, but I think it's called Sauce or something like that. Spicy, I think that's what it is. And it's just a gloss. You can totally skip this step if you want. That part is not necessary. But anyways, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this 02 makeup tutorial, and also let me know who you want me to do a makeup tutorial of next. I'll see you soon. Bye guys.